Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if the human photo is edited or not in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Mirror's Detect Image. On the first list you will see the application. Just click on it and just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you will see the various options. So here you can see on the above, detect now, just click on it. So now you will be given some samples. You can use them if you want to check out, or you can use the open gallery if you want to check your custom image files. And just select the human photo or image and select the human face and click on the tick mark. Now wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see here the mirror scores 56%. So you can see the details here written extreme editing was detected. So this respective human photo is edited. So finally we have confirmed. So by using this application named as Mirror's Detect Image, you can easily find out if the human photo is edited or not in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.